In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated replies in Meta Business Suite. If you want your Facebook and Instagram messages to get a quick, consistent response even when you're busy, this walkthrough will help you get everything up and running in just a few minutes. First, log into Meta Business Suite using the account that manages your business assets. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Inbox. This brings all your conversations into one place, including Facebook Messenger and Instagram Direct, so you can manage replies from a single dashboard. At the top of the inbox view, select Automations. This is where you control the messages that go out automatically based on triggers like new messages, after-hours inquiries, or common questions. Think of this area as your assistant that replies on your behalf using the rules you set. Next, choose whether you want to create something new or update something you already have. Click Create Automation to start from scratch, or pick an existing automation to edit. Creating fresh or refining what's there both work the same way, so choose whichever fits your situation right now. Now select the type of reply you want to enable. Instant Reply is great for acknowledging every new message the moment it arrives. Away. Message helps you set expectations when your team isn't available, such as outside business hours. FAQ can present quick buttons or answers to common topics, helping customers get information fast without waiting for a human response. Choose the option that best matches your goal today: acknowledge, inform, or guide. Once you've chosen, turn on the automation. You'll usually see a clear toggle or button for this. Make sure it's enabled so your rules actually apply to incoming messages. If you already have other automations running, keep an eye on overlap and make sure you're not sending multiple responses for the same event. Before you wrap up, customize your message. Keep it friendly, concise, and helpful. Include key details like your typical reply time, business hours, or a link to essential information. If personalization options are available, consider adding the customer's first name to make it feel more human. When you're happy with the wording, click Save to lock in your settings. That's it. Your automated replies are now activated. New messages will trigger the responses you set, helping customers feel acknowledged while you manage the rest of your day. If you need to make changes later, just return to Automations and adjust your settings anytime.